This is the Horseshoe Farm Nature Preserve in Northeast Raleigh, close to Wake Forest. This park has open field, woody trail, a farmhouse, access to Greenway, a suspension bridge, and Neuse River close by. It's a beautiful park, has trees, little farm, cabin, farmhouse, and here coming up you can see the entrance to the woody trail. If you really like some open field, meadows, this is a great park for you. You can come here for picnic, walk your dogs, walk your kids, walk yourself. You can also come here to get some sunshine in the fall and winter. Sometimes people come here for photos, picnic, etc. It's a very beautiful park in sunset time as well. Hope you come and explore Horseshoe Farm Nature Preserve in Northeast Raleigh. Have fun and enjoy some beautiful nature time. And here's a lovely bench for you. Horseshoe Farm Nature Preserve.